Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and today I want to do my review on the Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil Conditioner, Shampoo, Leave-In, and the Castor Oil. Well, first and foremost, I want to say that I've been using Sunny Isle products since I started using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Now, you have to know that there is another company called Tropic Isle, and I believe that I started using their castor oil first. And when I purchased this, I think that I thought that it was the same company. And please excuse the noise, the neighbors are repairing something in their house, in the house over. But yeah, so after I purchased this, then I found an old bottle of castor oil that I had, and it said Tropic Isle. So this is not to be confused with Tropic Isle. Yeah, so this is the Sunny Isle brand, and this is not a paid sponsorship. This is just my honest opinion on these products. So everyone, if you don't already know, Jamaican Black Castor Oil is a very good oil that is said to promote hair growth. And it has a lot of nutrients in it, and it's very good for the hair. You know, some people who suffer from alopecia or certain hair loss issues, it was known that castor oil would help to grow your hair back or fill in some areas that might have been thinning or stuff like that. I used to use castor oil to oil my scalp, as well as I have like thinning on this area here due to stuff that I did in the past to my hair, and that's what I used it for. But I must tell you that the castor oil is a very thick oil, and this is not one of the oils that your hair will absorb very easily because it's so thick. So it's recommended that you mix it with other oils to sort of thin it out. So if you want to use castor oil, I would say to use some other oils and then put some of this in it so that it won't be so thick, because it's a very thick consistency. And you know, for some of you who do oil your scalp, not a lot of people like to do that. You know, you don't want to put anything too heavy on your scalp. Also, what I want to say about this, I haven't been oiling my scalp as much as before, only because you know, routines change, things change. I'm not opposed to it. I just focus on this area right here where I have a little bit of thinning, and it does seem to be growing in. So this is how I got introduced to Sunny Isle products. So I decided to try the shampoo and the conditioner, and this is the shampoo and the conditioner. I'll talk about the shampoo first. This is the extra dark one too. All of them are extra dark, and which should mean it should have like those extra nutrients and stuff in it. With the shampoo, I used it. Let me talk about the smell. It smells pretty good. It's not like an overpowering smell. It's not a floral smell. I don't know what to, it kind of smells like maybe like almost like a perfume smell, but it's not too strong. It's likable. I like the smell. When I do use the shampoo, it didn't overstrip my hair. It did clean my hair, which is what you want a shampoo to do, but my hair was not extremely dry, but you do feel some sort of a strippingness to your hair. This does say that it provides extreme hydration and detangling. I don't know too much about the detangling part, because when I used it, it felt like my hair was a little bit stripped, and I wouldn't be able to detangle after just using shampoo alone. I would have to add a conditioner. But what I would say is that it does clean your hair, and it leaves it with a good smell. It doesn't overly strip your hair, and definitely a little goes a long way. Now the conditioner, after you use the shampoo and you do feel that stripped feeling, the conditioner is very good to put that moisture back in your hair. And I really love this conditioner because it is very thick. So if you're looking for something that has a lot of slip, this is not your conditioner. This is very thick. If you're one of those people who like heavy products to go on your hair, which I do, this is good to put on, and you can also use it as a deep conditioner. It says extreme hydration and detangling once again. This one, I feel like after you let it sit in your hair for a while, then you could go ahead and get the comb and start detangling. It's not something that you're going to put on and right away you're going to feel all this slip and then you could start detangling. No. You would put it on your hair, and I would suggest maybe leaving it on for about a good 15-20 minutes, and then you could start detangling. By the time the 20 minutes have gone by, then you would have felt like it would have penetrated your hair, and then it would be slippery enough for you to detangle. But I really love this, and I have to buy another one because I think it's about halfway full. It's like somewhere around here. I really love this. Yeah, I love the smell and everything. I really love this one. So here is the Knot Free Forever Natural Leave-In Detangler. As you can see, I used it all the way down. Let's see, I think I got this product like, I want to guess, maybe like about 4 to 5 months ago. And I really like this. My leave-in though, if everyone knows who watches my channel, is Giovanni Direct Leave-In. So I have yet to find a leave-in that can compete with that one. So it's like every leave-in that I get, I'm always comparing it to the Giovanni Direct Leave-In. So I have to say that Giovanni Direct is still my favorite leave-in. But this is also a good leave-in too. It will, it detangles your hair. You can detangle with it, and it's thick though. See, I'm turning it over and it's not going anywhere. So it will definitely coat your hair. And for those of you who want to layer products on your hair, if you've seen my previous video about how I layer products, because I have highly porous, high porosity hair, it's good to put thick products on that type of hair. And so this is a good leave-in for that as well. So I can rotate between the Giovanni Direct leave-in as well as this one, but Giovanni is still my favorite, I must say. Now this brand does have a deep conditioner, and I haven't tried it yet because when I purchased all of them, I don't know, I was like, I don't want to get the leave-in. I think was a little bit more money, and I was like, well, I mean the deep conditioner was like a little bit more money, so I was like, I don't know, let me try the shampoo and conditioner first and see if I like it, and then try the deep conditioner. So I definitely want to go back and get the deep conditioner. I purchased all of these at TJ Maxx. Guys, I rarely ever pay full price for my products. I'm always shopping for bargains and trying to get the best deals. So I purchased them at TJ Maxx. I believe you can find them at Marshall's as well. And yeah, so I'll go back to TJ Maxx or Marshall's and see when they have it. If you shop there, you know that they don't always have the same products all the time. You have to kind of go a couple of times throughout the week. On certain days they get certain shipments, and it's almost like a flea market in a sense where it's different things at different times, but they do carry the same brands, if you kind of know what I mean, but not all the time. So you got to keep going back and checking, and then those who know, you know, they'll come in on the days where they get the shipments, and then they might not be there by the time you get there. So you just have to pop in and out of TJ Maxx and Marshall's frequently, so that, you know, you can grab hold of your favorite products when they do come in. So that is all for my review about this line. I highly recommend it. I would say if you're going to get it, purchase the whole line. Purchase the shampoo, conditioner, and the leave-in, and also the deep conditioner too, because I've heard rave reviews about it. I haven't tried it myself, but based on how much I love these, as well as the castor oil, which mine is almost done, I gotta get another one, I would definitely recommend it. If Sunny Isle is watching and you guys want to send me some more products or the deep conditioner, I would be more than happy to do a review on it. But thank you guys for watching. Please check out my online store, etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma for you. You guys know I have satin bonnets and hair socks and scarves and women's clothing, custom made stuff, all for you. Let me show you a couple of them. Here's one of my satin bonnets. This is the orange one with purple, with like a purple belt print and a gold chain print, and it's reversible. So the inside is purple and this side has the print, and it's very thick. This definitely helps to keep moisture while you're sleeping, so your hair doesn't rub against the cotton pillowcase. You could put it on, and this is the regular size one if you have big hair. It's pretty good, guys. This is one of my favorite designs. I love it. And they come in regular, which is this size, oversized, and oversized plus. So if you're one who likes to wear roller sets or flexi rods or all of those things that your hair is really big, I have different sizes to accommodate, and so many different prints and things that I can customize for you. I also have my hair socks. This is the jelly bean print. This is like a red tribal print, and this is another like abstract type of tie-dye print. These are very good if you have braids, or if you have locks, or if you want to wear it as like a headband, see, like this, or you could pull it up and make like a head wrap and wear it like this. If you have your locks and stuff like that, this is so versatile. You can wear it as a headband, a sleep cap, a head wrap. It is awesome, and I use my products, I'm telling you, for whatever styles I have, depending on what it is, I will wear my hair socks. So definitely go on to the site etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma for you and check out my online store. I'm very sure you'll find something that you love. And thank you so much to all of you who have purchased items, my return customers. I love you so much. You show me so much love and you write me the best reviews. Guys, thank you so much. So go on over to the site and order now, etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma for you. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye-bye.